Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to indicate or add a new income to the Monefy account. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the plus icon down below if you want to add a new income entry. You should select the date, then type in the amount of your income. You can add the note to it if you want to. And you can select the category such as deposits, salary or savings. As you can see, it's indicated in the middle of the screen, and if you scroll down, you're going to see your balance, indicating your income and expenses as well. So that's how you can keep track of your balance and your financial stuff. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.